I had a quantum healing hypnosis session with Solstice. I found it helpful in many, many ways. One of the main things I was wanting to look into was a reoccurring dream that I've been having for some time. Just wasn't making a lot of sense considering the trajectory of my life, and this seemed like something really important with my purpose in life. I really got the insight that I needed to understand that dream better. I also got to communicate with my higher self that gave some insight on essentially where I'm going, where I'm heading in life. I kind of have a few different options coming to me soon. I was offered information on the path of least resistance. Future life, if I so choose to take that path. I can say what I really appreciated in doing the session with Solstice was that she kind of just let me go wherever I wanted to go to explore more about me and what's coming. Even in situations where I wasn't even really sure what was happening, she was able to kind of guide me in a way to where it started to make sense. I was also able to be kind of led to have an experience that I totally was not expecting, and I wasn't really sure what to make of it at first. So she was great at kind of guiding me and helping me realize what was happening. Essentially having just this beautiful moment with unity consciousness and feeling just the wonderful love of the universe. Yeah, it was a great experience. Definitely recommending if you have any type of question in life, or even none at all. So that was my wonderful experience.